Looking for the perfect solution to keep your blonde or silver hair vibrant and free of brassy tones? The Aussie Blonde Hydration Set has you covered. This vegan-friendly purple shampoo, conditioner, and 3-minute miracle hair mask work together to neutralize yellow hues and deeply hydrate your hair. Picture a woman with long, luscious blonde hair, vibrant and radiant. This set includes a Kick Brass Purple Shampoo, a blonde toning hair conditioner, and an Aussie 3-minute miracle hair mask. The purple shampoo neutralizes brassy tones while boosting hydration. The conditioner leaves your hair silky, soft, and shiny. And the hair mask? It's a miracle for deep conditioning and hydration. Packed with hemp seed extract and wild plum, it enhances moisture and provides glorious toning. Plus, it's PETA certified cruelty-free and paraben-free. With rave reviews, this set transforms hair beautifully. Get the Aussie Blonde Hydration Set today and give your hair the vibrant, healthy look it deserves. Click the link in the description to buy now and experience amazing results.